Alright, so this is about checking non-web safe colors. And if I have a site open here, and perhaps I have, I don't know, something like this, I could open my assets panel, and I can choose colors category, and it will list me all the colors. And suppose I have on this page a color that is non-web safe. I can easily get a non-web safe color by choosing any of these. Need to actually apply it. Hold on. I'll click on a color, add it to a custom colors. Okay. Wait, did I just choose a black color? Oh yeah, everything is dark here. Yeah, add custom colors, click OK. Now I changed the color. I'm pretty sure this background color is non-web safe. And I can go in there, I can refresh this assets panel, and it shows me that it's non-web safe colors. Okay? The problem here that I have is that if usually when I right click on this thing, I could choose locating site, but for some reason, as I said before, this doesn't work for us. So how do you find, say you don't have, how can you check for a website and find that this color is actually not being used? You're gonna have to remember what the hexadecimal number is. So 3EA6E3. 3EA6E3. There is a trick that you can use under the find. I think is under, yes. Find and replace, I guess. The cool thing about this is what's the 6E3? 6E3. What was the other one? 6E3, 3EA. So 3EA. So I'm open the find and replace window. And I want to look for this code here. And I'm looking where? Under the entire local site. I can search the whole site where? On the text, source code, or whatever. I'm looking at the source code. If I'm using a web safe, non-web safe color, and I'm looking at the whole site, and I'm looking at all the HTML code of this entire site, looking for this string, this combination of characters, chances are, I want to save this by the way, save. Chances are, I'll be able to find it. I'll click on find next, and boom, it opens my page in which the color non-web safe is actually found. And knowing where that is used on allows me to change it to a web safe color. I can look at this property and say, hey, this page is where this color is being used. 3EA6E3 is used on the background color. Oh, how do I change the background color? Page properties, and now I can go in here and change to a web safe color. Okay? And that's how you will use that. You can refresh this. Another issue that you see a lot is that 3EA6E3, this hexadecimal code, does not exist on the site anymore. Okay? And yet it's still listed in the assets panel. If I go to edit and I go to find and replace and I do 3EA6E3 to find that again under this entire site, under the source code, I click on find next. Done. Not found in 14 documents. This code doesn't exist anymore. So why is it that my assets panel still says that it's there? And even if I click on refresh, it doesn't go away. Why? Because you need to, Dreamweaver remembers this information from memory, but you need to make it forget. How do you make it forget? You go to Site, Advanced, Recreate Site Cache. Okay? And that makes Dreamweaver forget everything that it doesn't need to remember. It's still showing it here, but now if you refresh this, it disappears because that color has never been used and is not in the site.